Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate how to use a Leica D2 to measure an invert on a BV inlet. Very easy to do. First things first, make sure you are clear all the information. Right now it has it so that it measures to the back of the unit. By clicking this, now it's measuring to the front of the unit, which is what you want to do for the invert. So very simple, you go over here, instead of using a lathe and having to take all this apart, utilizing a rod. First things first, you identify that it's not full of water. You grab your D2 and you activate it. You put it against the grate like that. See? You put it right in the flow line. Take a reading, and there it is, the invert quick and easy. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate how to check the size of a pipe using the Disto D2. Super simple. Once you set it up on feet and where is locating the measurement from the back or the front, we set it to the front so you can put it directly on the floor line of the grate. So we are trying to measure the pipe. So you put it in the same spot, you push the button, you go ahead and shoot the flow line, then you put the minus sign to subtract, and then you shoot the top, approximately the same spot. So you got the bottom reading minus the top reading, you have about 2.60, and it's just an approximation. That means that the pipe is 2.5 feet, 30 inches. Super easy.